Good morning, everyone. We're continuing here in the beautiful words of the Meishiv Nefesh as we describe more and more each day the way in which we're going to achieve simcha, happiness in our mitzvahs. And he brings today from the Nefesh Shalom, who writes, he says, Yesh lahoisiv oid sheim ki al pi divrei Ramchal. The Ramchal writes in the Mesos Yesharim, the Adam le nivra lis aneg al Hashem. Man was created only to derive pleasure from Hashem, and to bask in the glory of His Shechina. And the place where a person is truly going to enjoy this is in the world to come. That's the words of the Ramchal. Then he brings Kemekubal Mehabesht from the Baal Shem Tov and from his Talmid of his students. Not only can a person achieve this pleasure of basking in the glory of the Shechina in the world to come, you can also reach it here in this world. That HaKadosh Baruch Hu has implanted a tremendous amount of pleasure in our avodas Hashem, serving HaKadosh Baruch Hu in this world. Ubeyichud b'Shabbos Kodesh, on Shabbos, the holiness of the day, the sanctity of the day, if we would understand what it is, it would be elevating. Ad ki nichsefa v'gam kolsa nafsha migodol hatanug. A person has such a strong desire, and they squeeze out all the essence, all the energy that's there inside of their soul from the tremendous tanug, the pleasure that exists in Shabbos and Avodas Hashem, the service of God. A person could reach such a high level in this world of being close, of dwelling in the tzel, in the shade of the Shechina in this world, that it's like the neshama is practically leaving the person from the spiritual excitement that it has. So according to the Baal Shem Tov and his students, a person's obligation in this world is to achieve this holy pleasure that a person can receive in this world as well. Not only in the world to come, also in our lives, in Olam Hazeh, in the world that we are living in right now. Which means the following idea, that yes, it's true that the ultimate dveikis, the ultimate place where a person's neshama is going to be able to cling to HaKadosh Baruch Hu is in the world to come, when there is no body and there is no blockage between our soul and HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Over there, all the mitzvahs that we did in our lifetime, all the Torah that we learned, the brachas that we said, everything that we did to engage ourselves in a life of avodas Hashem, it's going to come back to us quadruple, 1,000,000 times fold, with the tremendous impact of the kedusha of the Shechina in our spiritual realm. But even in this world, that's what we're learning today, even in this world, Hashem made it that mitzvahs are pleasure. Learning Torah is a pleasure. Keeping Shabbos is so beautiful and so precious and so amazing that a person can literally sit in this world all day long, basking and being bathed in the glory of the Shechina. That's up to us, how much energy and effort we put in to serving Hashem, how much we appreciate the lofty mitzvahs that HaKadosh Baruch Hu has given us, how much we enjoy and we relish the opportunities that we have to serve Hashem with all of our heart, all of our soul, and all of our might. And then we won't have to wait only till the world to come to have the ta'anug ha'amiti, the true pleasure. We can be zeicha, we can merit to have this pleasure here in our lives in this world. Wishing everybody a wonderful day filled with opportunities to have the ta'anug ha'amiti, the ultimate pleasure, when even in this world, our neshamas will connect with Hashem. All the best.